So today I would like you to meet my niece, Isla. Say hello, Isla.
Hi, I'm Isla.
Isla is a really keen wildlife watcher and she enjoys climbing trees. She likes jumping on molehills and she also has a special interest in mini beasts. Is that right, Isla?
Yeah.
Okay, so this week I've given Isla a challenge to search for wildlife tracks and signs when she's been out on her walks. Did you find any?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, good. I've also been looking out for some tracks and signs, so we're going to share some of these. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Any good wildlife detective knows that a common piece of evidence that is left behind comes from an animal's behind. So let's see who done it. We're going to start with a really large pile of something. So let's have a look at the clip.
Manure.
Sorry, I didn't quite hear that.
Manure. Manure. This is poo from a horse. That's a good sign that horses have been close.
They also wear shoes. Did you know that?
Yeah. Kind of an N.
You're right, yeah, good description. This one's a little bit more difficult. It's a logger on a log. So it's a bit pointy at one end, and it's a good job we haven't got smelly vision because it stinks. And you might expect to see some fur or feathers in it, but this one, I don't know, looks like maybe it's got some bones in it.
Dog poo.
It does look a bit like a dog poo, doesn't it? But it's not a dog poo.
What's fox? Fox?
Should we see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Champion!
Well done. So it might seem a bit strange, but foxes like to poo on top of things in obvious places. And this is, yeah, it's like a calling card. It's like a sign to other foxes that this is where they live. All right, this next one is another difficult one. Poo Dunnit, Isla. So can you see the sort of wiggly, squiggly bits in it?
Yeah.
So can you think of something that lives in the earth that's a bit wiggly and squiggly?
Worm.
It is a worm. Well done, Isla. Yeah, so it's called a worm cast. So worms dig through the earth and they eat soil and dead leaves and manure, and then they digest it into something called humus, which contains lots of nutrients required for healthy plants.
Which hummus is it? Is it the hummus you eat or hummus is in different hummus?
It's a different kind of hummus, so you don't want to eat it. All right, next, Poo Dunnit. Do you know the answer?
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Because when I go to the fairy pond, there's there's lots of logs that you can jump across, and there's a lot of rabbit poo on them.
So they like to poo on logs too. And in fact, they're doing the same thing as the foxes. They're sort of leaving messages for other rabbits in their poo. Okay, here's my last Poo Dunnit.
Molehill. Molehill?
Oh, I was trying to trick you there. Because it's not poo at all, is it?
Hey. Oh, you were trying to get it to look like a cow patch.
It might look like a large pile of poo, but molehills, it's the earth that's left over when they're digging underground in their tunnels.
Make sure you don't pick some molehills because it might be a cow pat. It doesn't look as squidgy as cow poo, and they aren't that smelly.
Good tip. I think that's enough pondering of poo for one day, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye-bye.